Bago po tayo patuloy, ang plenary indulgence po ay may kailangan meron tayong susundin na conditions. Yun po, di ba? May conditions ang plenary indulgence. So, kailangan ang detachment of sin. Kahit venial sin. So, kailangan nakapangumpisal at mag-a-act of contrition. Ayun. So, number 2, yun nga, confession. Number 3, Holy Communion. Kailangan, kung tatlong plenary indulgence ang kukunin mo sa tatlong araw, kailangan nakapag-Holy Communion. At ang prayer for the intention of the Pope, isang Our Father, Hail Mary, at Glory be. So, ayun po plenary indulgence, detachment of sin, even venial sin, confession, Holy Communion, at prayer for the intentions of the Pope. Ayun.